Hi, I'm Alix. I'm the librarian at Beverly Middle School, and I'm going to show you today how you can prepare a really nice, sort of elegant cocktail to enjoy along with all your MSLA friends this weekend. So first of all, I like to do the little sort of mise en place thing so we can have everything all set up and ready to go. So for ingredients, you want a nice cherry juice. This one is a nice tart one. Doesn't have a lot of extra stuff in it. Orange juice. Also, we recommend vanilla vodka. Now, I know you may not keep the vanilla flavored vodka around all the time, but these little nip bottles are just about the right size for a beverage. So I recommend that you lay in a couple of these. And some Prosecco, nice Italian Prosecco. You could go fancy, get some French champagne if you like. So the smaller bottles are perfect too, because you can probably get 2 or 3 drinks out of these, depending on how much you like to add in. And make sure you've got all your tools. A cocktail shaker and a strainer is definitely helpful. Something to measure with, so I'm going to use a standard jigger to do this. Okay, so first we want to put in one of the full-size jigger of the cherry juice. Then we are going to add in the orange juice. So again, same side, the large side of the jigger. That's 1.5 ounces. Okay. And then if you get one of these, you can just pour the whole thing in. If you have your own vodka that you're using, then you want to put in the large side of 1.5 ounces there, but you could maybe add in just a smidge more. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in. Okay, and now we're going to add some ice. Okay. And let's shake it up a little. Okay. Now I recommend that you get yourself some fresh ice out of the freezer, because you don't want the little shards of ice that are now in here to stay in the drink too long, because they'll melt and they'll sort of dilute it. So I'm going to get some fresh ice. I'm going to put it in a double old-fashioned size glass. My ice is a little stuck. I thought I was so prepared. There we go. So I'm going to strain it out. Okay. And then we're going to add in the equivalent of sort of both sides of the jigger of the champagne or Prosecco. So top that off. You can add just a little more flavor and elegance by having a little sliced orange or some other kind of citrus. And there we go. Cheers.